Well, hi everybody. Say hello to Francis, my friend, my guide, my hiker. We are doing what hike today, Francis?
Tent Ridge.
Tent Ridge. How long is it?
9K.
9K. How steep is it?
I don't remember.
Like 800 meters. We are making our way to the top. This is supposed to be one of the prettiest hikes in Kananaskis, and I'll kind of be showcasing the level of difficulty, the paths. So stay tuned because getting to the summit will be completely worth the climb. Now, this is basically, we've been doing this for about 20 minutes. It's this narrow path, lots of bushes. We're starting to see a little bit of the view over there. It's a little bit of a hazy day, but it's still going to be very, very pretty. So let's keep going. This is just leveling out into a nice flat ground. As you can see, beautiful views. And we're gonna make our way all the way up there. Okay, we are getting ready to go up one of the steepest parts of the hike. As you can see, it's just like a rock scramble up there, but then we have these beautiful views. And just wait, guys, till you see the incredible views we're going to be rewarded with at the very top of the ridge. This is about a 9-kilometer hike. It's moderate. I wouldn't recommend bringing kids to this. I think it would be a little bit too challenging, but maybe teenagers, 10-year-olds that are fit could do this hike. But so far so good. It's a great way to spend your Saturday morning with some friends, and I'm super thrilled to take you guys to the top with me. They're off to starting the steep incline over there, and then you're just basically at the top of the bridge where you're just walking all the way up there. But whew, that's a nice little grind up there. And then these are the views. Yeah. I've already slipped and fallen a few times getting down this hill. It's so slippery. Well, I'm already eating dust, so I better get going. We're literally assing our way down. Wait, watch this. Don't fall. Really challenging part of the hike is right here. What do you think? 1 to 10?
10. 12, Robin. This is beautiful.
Oh, getting there. Now, there's a line to rock climb this portion of the hike. Amazing. Not scary at all. Just did probably the scariest part of the hike, which was the rock climbing portion of the hike, which I did not even know that was a thing. But literally you're just like just trying not to fall off the cliff and roll down to your death. There is a proper rock climbing portion, so make sure you bring proper shoes. My friend Francis, who is certified rock climber. She's like, have 3 touch points, your hands. I was shaking rocks to make sure that they were not loose because I was grabbing onto them. I was putting my feet on them. So just double check, make sure that all the rocks that you're hanging onto are nice and secure and truly embedded into the mountain. But now we're just gonna continue up there, walking up the ridge, but the worst part is over. Well guys, basically made it to the end of the hike. This is the Money View right over here. And I am just gonna make my way back down to the car right now. The worst part and the best part is over. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got a glimpse into what hiking Tent Ridge really is about and what you can expect. If you like this content, please give this a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more videos on fun things to do in Alberta.